Here we have the colour wheel in its basic form. The colour wheel is a tool we can use to establish what we call colour harmonies. The first colour harmony is what we call complementary colours. That is colours that are opposite each other on the colour wheel. By that rule, if we look at the colour wheel, we can tell that yellow pairs well with purple and a dark green pairs well with red. Likewise, the blue pairs well with orange and a royal blue pairs well with a lighter orange. Next are analogous colours. Analogous colour schemes use colours that are next to each other on the colour wheel. These colours help to create a fixed mood with a calming balance. As an example, to depict something of nature, we could select the light green and select the darker green and the yellow. Next are split complementary colours, and these derive from the complementary system. Instead of the opposite colour, the two colours neighbouring the opposite colour are used instead. As an example, we could select purple and have light green and a light orange as our split complementary colours, because those two colours, light green and orange, are both neighbouring the yellow. Here we have the triadic option, which involves selection of colours which are distributed evenly around the colour wheel. This gives a wide colour presence, making the design vibrant. As you can see in the example, if I had selected yellow, the colours resulting are red and royal blue. Likewise, if I had selected royal blue or red, I would have ended with the same colour selection result. The best way of understanding the colour wheel is by way of practical application, so be sure to employ it when you come to colouring your logo designs. In time, the complementary, analogous, split complementary and triadic systems will become second nature, and you'll no longer need to reference the basic colour wheel, but it serves as a fantastic tool in the learning stages.